Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Sanibona. Emsima 1010 la ulo oxhaswe abakanyamezela funeral services. Ulo nezinkulumo ezinohlonze. Kwakudala ayihleze khona amambuka. Ngicela ukusika kwelijikayo kulesimo sokuthi kukhona abafowethu abalwela izwe njengamanje. Ngizomention akaba u3. Uphakela umthakatho ngizwe imchunu noJesinta. Bese ke kube zinkumbi ke zabafowethu engeke ngizibize ngamagama. Zinkumbi zabafowethu ofica zinabo la besuke bekhona beyolwa beyosebenza kanzima ukuthi izwe alibuyele esimeni esifanele lapho khona kuzohlomula umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika omsinsi wokuzimilela eNingizimu Afrika. Kungeve kukusho ukuthi kuthiwa bathandwa abantu abangasomsinsi okuzimilela, kodwa kuthiwa abavule phela ispace ukwenzela ukuthi umuntu owaseNingizimu Afrika akathole kuqala akahlomule kuqala bese uyeza ke nawe umuntu ongasiyena owaseNingizimu Afrika. Kwakudala ihleze khona amambuka. Nginento emqondweni wami ethi abantu abalwela inkululeko yase South Africa ukuze siyithole ukusukela ngo94 ukuzanganeno bashona bafa labo bantu, abantu ababelwile abazange bangene kwinkululeko. Kodwa abantu abangena kwinkululeko abantu abafana nami njengamanje abangayi emgaqweni kodwa abakhuluma la emafonini. Nakho yiko lo engushoyo ukuthi abantu ekuyibona babelwele inkululeko bafa abafikanga entambeni, abayibonanga inkululeko. Kanjalo namanje kunabafowethu abalwayo belwela eSouth Africa balwa ngandlela zonke, organize amamashi, baye emgaqweni, bangene ezitolo zabo kufika benze konke bezama ukuqoqizwe ngoba uhulumeni akakhombisa ukuthi yena uyabona ukuthi uMas noma ama-South Africans aya ngakiphi ngakuluphi uhlangothi. Angathi uhulumeni akaboni ngoba angimuzwe ekhuluma. Shuthi akaboni ukuthi ama-South Africans kahle kahle afuna bakhanjwe ngalolu hlangothi, ama-voters afuna bakhanjwe ngalolu hlangothi. Bayahamba ke abantu bakwenze konke lokho belwa. Mhlazane kwalunga nami ngiyobe sengiclaima ngithi salwela izwe ngoba ngikhona kule generation eyenza lokho noma ngingaya emgaqweni. Amambuka ayihleze khona nakuqala nangaphambili. Siyezwa ngomana lapha sikutshela ukuthi kuthiwa kunabaholi abakhona abanohlonze, abanye sebabhubha, abanohlonze ababekade bethengisa umzabalazo, bethengisa abantu ababekade belwela eSouth Africa, bebathengisa emabhunwini, bebathengisa ukuthi ababulawe. Singebabizeke ngamagama ngoba mhlawumbe ekukhona abangalimala abangabukela le video masingabiza ngamagama ukuthi abaholi abawukuthi nokuthi nokuthi. Nawe ngiyacela ungabhali la kule video ubhale abaholi ababekade bethengisa abantu abamnyama bebathengisa emabhunwini bemnyama nabo. Ungabhali ngiyacela. Ulalele nje. Njenga namanje kunabafowethu nodadewethu ekuthi kuliwa kuthiwa abantu bokufika abahambe baye ngakubo bawulungisa ngakubo bazobuya nathi masibona sokuhlelekile le South Africa. Kunabantu abamambuka abaphikisana nalokho, bamentabeni nje baphikisana nalokho. Uma ngabe uthi uyabuka abantu isystem asebebhenefitha kuyo, mangithi umuntu uyabenefit uyahlomula kwisystem, ngisho ukuthi umuntu osuke etohoza ngaleso sikhathi. Angeke umuntu ongatohozi elwisane nabophakela umthakathi naboJesinta nabongizwe nabanye abafowethu abaningi abasebenza ukuthi ake kuvuleke izpace endaweni zokusebenza ke sisebenze nathi singama South Africans. Angeke umuzwe umuntu ongabenefit kwisystem ekhona elwisana nalokho, kodwa bonke abantu abalwisana nalokho abantu ababenefita kwisystem njengami engitohozayo. uzongizwa ngikhuluma kakhulu ngithi kuyahlukunyezwa, niyayithanda yini lento, kwathini, kodwa uma ungasubuye manje uthi wena okhuluma kakhulu othi ku-wrong mangaba kulwiswana nalesimo sama-illegal immigrants leza eMzantsi Afrika, uthi okay, akowuphume kulowo msebenzi, akozohlala la, ake kusuka umuntu la impilo yakhe engekaqali, akakasuke la ayongena kuleso sikhala sakho, bese sikuzwa ukuthi uzophinda ukhulume lo limi olukhulumayo yini. Ungambona indlela angalwa ngayo. So ngizama ukuthi bafowethu amambuka nangaphambili ayekade ekhona ukuthi ngeke basitshele laba nje abakhona manje abakutshela ukuthi salwa silela lelizwe, yilaba ababefana nami, labo ababekhuluma behleze emakhaya, mabeza ukuthi impi yahloma iqhamuka ngapha babaleke bawucasha ngapha, makuthiwa iqhamuka ngapha impi babaleke bawucasha ngapha, yibo laba sebebenefita. Abantu ababelwa ngempela ababeke emgaqweni, ababebopha amabhuzu, bebopha amateki, bangcwatshwa bengekafiki ku-94. Bonke ithuba.
Yo, fellow South Africans, we are in danger. And I'm saying this because I am very pissed off and very angry. Because this government, or whatever they call themselves, decided to open a case against Jacinta Zuma, saying she incited violence. A woman who stood firmly with families and with kids who were denied access to a public school. What has this country become, though? This concept of human rights must be written down clearly, because in every nation, the people who originate in that nation take first priority. Let's be honest and be frank, whether you are from Nigeria or Zimbabwe, the people who originate in that land take first priority. You cannot have a school that has over 600 immigrants that have rights and access and comfortability. Then you have over 66 kids that cannot be accommodated because you had to make space for 600 students. Then that cannot be right. Go to Nigeria, go to Zimbabwe, go to whatever country you come from. The citizens of that country are the first priorities of that country before anybody else is given rights and priority. So this woman stands by these families, supports them, and fights this system that is so errant and so wrong. Then a case is opened called inciting violence. Then we might as well leave South Africa and leave South Africa for foreigners, because clearly we don't have rights in our own country. This cannot be tolerated. In fact, maybe let's open a case against the government. Maybe that would make sense. We open a case against the government because what they're doing is wrong. What they're applying is wrong. If it means the constitution must change, then let it be changed. If it means leaders must change, let them change. Because the people that must sit in offices of authority must prioritize South Africans above anybody else. Then we can accommodate everybody else when South Africans are living a life of true freedom. This is wrong.
South Africans are now coming together to stand for Jacinta Ngizwe and Phakela to say, you know what, hands off those people, because obviously they are fighting for the country. They are fighting for the country, and unfortunately for them, they're receiving a lot of negativity, because remember, there are also South Africans that do not stand with them. The same way, they're also obviously for foreigners, they're not standing with them. They are not in support for what they are doing. And this man right here was talking about something that is very, very important, which is people that fought for this country. they did not live to enjoy the fruit of their labor. Okay, and today every South African will just stand and say, you know what, ne, we fought for this country, but no, you are not the one who fought for the country. Someone else did, and now you are reaping what that person sowed. Okay, and giving an example with him right now to say, okay, right now our Jacinta, they're fighting for the country, and Tina, we're just on the, we are not there, we are not doing this much and much, and and then tomorrow when this country is like blossoming and stuff like that, we are all going to say we fought for our country. So they're just encouraging these ones that are doing Abu March and March, Ebo Jacinta, and all those people that are into this thing, fighting for the country, to say, you know what, ne, fight for your country. Fight for your country. Do not back down just because of things are happening and people are accusing you of this and this. Just keep on going. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please do consider leaving your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this video?